Welcome to Session 23, Volume, Capacity, and Cubic Units. Volume measures three-dimensional space and uses cubic units. You will apply prism and cylinder formulas, cube linear conversion factors, distinguish volume from capacity, and use supplied bridges such as 1 milliliter equals 1 cubic centimeter. A rectangular prism has volume length times width times height. A cylinder has volume pi times radius squared times height. Both formulas multiply three dimensions and therefore produce cubic units. Convert all linear dimensions to one common unit before substituting. A box measures 6 centimeters by 4 centimeters by 3 centimeters. Use volume equals length times width times height. Multiply 6 by 4 by 3 to get 72. The volume is 72 cubic centimeters. The cubed unit records all three dimensions. A cylinder has radius 3 meters and height 5 meters. Use volume equals pi r squared h. Square the radius to get 9, then multiply by 5. The exact volume is 45 pi cubic meters, approximately 141.4 cubic meters. The formula requires radius, not diameter. Convert 2 cubic feet to cubic inches. 1 foot equals 12 inches. So 1 cubic foot equals 12 cubed cubic inches. 12 cubed is 1,728. Multiply by 2 to obtain 3,456 cubic inches. Capacity describes how much a container can hold, while cubic units describe geometric volume. A useful bridge is 1 cubic centimeter equals 1 milliliter. Therefore, 1,000 cubic centimeters equals 1,000 milliliters or 1 liter. Use a stated or valid bridge rather than assuming every cubic unit has a direct liquid equivalent. Checkpoint. How many cubic inches are in 1 cubic foot? Cube the linear relationship 1 foot equals 12 inches. 12 cubed is 1,728. 1 cubic foot equals 1,728 cubic inches, so choice D is correct. Identify the solid and required unit, convert all linear dimensions before applying the formula, report cubic units, and cube any linear conversion factor. Use a valid bridge when connecting geometric volume with liquid capacity. Continue learning and practicing at bridge2exam.com.